Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to send your profile on Instagram. If you're looking to share your Instagram profile with friends or followers, you've come to the right place. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the Share Profile option. A new window will pop up prompting you to confirm that you want to share your profile. Tap on Share Profile again to proceed. After that, you will be given the option to share your profile link using different apps on your device. Choose the app or method that you prefer and send your profile link to whoever you want to share it with. And there you have it. That's how you can easily send your profile on Instagram to others, whether you want to promote your profile or simply connect with friends. This method makes it quick and convenient. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on using Instagram. See you next time.